So I was watching this movie this weekend called The Peanut Butter Falcon. It's that new Shia LaBeouf movie on Amazon Prime. And there's a quote that really stuck out to me. So as the two main characters, Zach and Tyler, they're about to come across their first challenge, and Zach asks Tyler, he says, "Am I gonna die?" And instantly Tyler responds, he said, "Well, yeah, you're gonna die one day. It's just a matter of time." But that's not the question. The question is, what kind of stories are people going to be able to tell about you when you're gone? And that really struck a chord with me. I think that we're so scared of what's going to happen next, or so scared of the result that may happen if we decide to take a chance, take a risk. And I just feel like that's not the best way to live life. Now, the stories that people are able to tell about us are just as important as the stories that we're able to tell. And these good stories, they don't come from shoulda, coulda, wouldas of, oh man, I was going to write that book, but I never did. Or I was going to take this trip one time, but my parents convinced me it was too dangerous. Or I was going to start that business, but my husband told me that it was too risky and that there was no point. Or I was really attracted to this girl. I was going to go talk to her, but I didn't want to come off as weird. And the thing is, these experiences, we never ever know how they're going to end up. It's always the unknown. But when we take those chances and we do the things that our heart or our soul, whatever you want to believe in, is calling us to do, I find that those are the experiences that shape our lives, that mold us into the people that we're born to become. So the theme of this video, I'm going to keep this one real short and sweet, is don't let this one thing hold you back. And that theme is other people's opinions. Now, I'm not saying that there's any malicious intent behind what these people are trying to do. Honestly, they probably just don't want to see us get hurt. These people care about you. But there's a teaching from Jesus that says, in order to follow my way, you must hate your brother, you must hate your mother, you must hate your friend. And now, this doesn't need to be taken in a literal context, but what he is getting at is that essentially the road to suffering is paved with good intentions. These people may think they want what's best for you, but it all honestly stems from fear. And fear, it's an illusion. It's what holds us back from what we're actually capable of doing and our purpose on this earth. So I'm going to leave you with that. I want to challenge you to do one thing this week. One thing, that's it, of something that you've wanted to do but have been scared to try, or someone else has convinced you not to believe in yourself. You don't need to see results this week. Just take one action towards that goal that you've always dreamed of achieving. And I promise you won't regret it. So I'm going to wrap this one up. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.